1894. Yes, ma'am. And this year, in 1912, trains will go all the way to Key West. Excellent, Molly. Now, who was the first governor of the territory of Florida? First governor was...
Charlotte. Charlotte's on her way out to say hello to you guys. As always, you are welcome up to say hello to her. We do have one small but very important rule today at Jurassic Kingdom, that there is absolutely no violence, hitting, poking, punching, pulling tails, etc. You guys get the drill. You look like a good crowd. I'm wasting time. Now, while Charlotte's on her way around to say hello, I'll make you aware of an additional detail today at Jurassic Kingdom. Quite literally, the tails. You want to be mindful of tails. Tails are they come all shapes and sizes. More often than not, what happens with a tail is done on purpose, and you have been warned. Now let's talk Charlotte. Again, she is one of our Radiopod's a two-legged herbivore, but the Parasaurolophus tends to give us a pretty good run for the money. She can use both 2 and 4 legs to walk around. Their arms were long enough to assist in grazing on lower-lying shrubs and grasses. So technically, walking, crawling, using all 4s may not make her the Arrhythmiapod, but her primary source of transportation stays in the back 2 legs, securing her to that Arrhythmiapod category. Another thing about our beautiful Charlotte, Parasaurolophus remains were only discovered around 100 years ago in the cultures of where we now call Asia, also Canada. We believe the main reasons that these beautiful creatures were discovered in those portions of the planet could be for their favorite food source or nesting materials, bamboo. Bamboo is one of the older living plants for the planet. When you guys go home and look up dinos, be sure to check out some other prehistoric life like plants, bugs. You never know what you'll find. Things are really fleeing the show area, and my next guest is a little intimidating and a tad bit impatient, but you were supposed to wait. But you may recognize her from Jurassic World. This is our beautiful, slightly over the top at most times, Velociraptor Miss Blue. Blue's come a long way to say hello to you guys today. As always, you're welcome to say hello to her, accompanied by the little one, of course. And as always, you're welcome to say hello, but we get it. She is a Velociraptor. It's probably not going to be easy or intelligent. However, if you would like for her to approach you, calmly is key. We encourage you to. That thing disassembles. We're going to do the next best thing. You've met a lot of my babies today. I want you to meet my biggest baby. And I mean it. He's a big baby. Sparky, can you come out and say hi to these guys? They've been waiting all day long to meet you. Roasting in the sun, ready for this party. Big guy, I'm going to need you to do me a favor. I want you to look at everybody and smile. Show them how nice you are. The pearly whites, handsome face. It's always no one. Okay. But look at the cameras, and you were like right in the perfect spot. They're all there. We go. Oh, we got another one. How about we do the selfie face? Yeah. Afraid of a selfie face. Impossible. But you can pay close attention to how small the teeth are. Like I said, he's only 2 millennial dinosaurs. Now, let's talk T-Rex. We gave the T-Rex a very bad reputation. When we discovered T-Rex remains, we made them out to be a big, mean, aggressive monster. You blame us, man. Look at all those teeth. We got to study the remains closer and further, found out they are more so protective than aggressive. They're not mean for 0 reason. However, if promoted or provoked, they would be. They were very protective over their little ones. They made sure that their little ones could get to be old enough and strong enough to survive and fend for themselves.